Math Stars! In our last video, we learned the magic rule, all from 9, last from 10. To find the complement of a number, if you missed it, please watch my last video.
Remember? We subtract the last digit from 10 and all other digits from 9.
But what happens when the number ends with 0? That's today's special trick. Special case, numbers ending in 0. Let's find the complement of 64,210. When the last digit is 0, bring it straight down. Now this becomes our new last digit. Subtract 1 from 10, which gives 9. Now subtract 2 from 9 gives 7. Next, subtract 4 from 9 equals 5. Finally, subtract 6 from 9, which equals 3. So we find the complement of 64210 is 35790.
Remember, bring down the 0, then continue the magic rule.
You're becoming a Vedic Math star. See you with the next magic trick.